I'm Sebuh and I'm a Tezos user, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to migrate liquidity and creating liquidity pools on Tezos with the Quipuswap Exchange and the Vortex Exchange. So here is the Quipuswap Exchange. I'm going to be removing some liquidity from the exchange. So I go and click the Govern tab here, and then I search for the token Seb is the one I want to move. So I have votes locked in, so I'm gonna re-vote with less votes. Right now, this is for the governance system for the baking rights on the exchange. So I'm gonna re-vote just with 100, so I could release 170 of my votes, which are actually liquidity pool tokens. So I'm using Temple Wallet here as my Tezos wallet, and it's connected to a Ledger Nano. I'm gonna have to prove this here, and there it goes. So now I'm releasing some of my SEB liquidity shares from the governance mechanism on the Quipuswap exchange. So this is going to take a couple seconds here. We could see the Quipuswap SEB liquidity pool contract address. This is the TZKT block explorer. I'm going to refresh the page. See, it's there. It's coming along, and should be probably like another 15 seconds here for it to get confirmed. Okay, cool. So now we have released those shares, and now what I would do is I go to the Invest tab, and then I click the Remove Liquidity button, search out for SEB, and then I'm gonna remove 174.237662 shares. So that will release 337 Tezos and 61,811 SEB tokens, Sebuh.net tokens. So here I go, I click Remove Liquidity, and I'm going to confirm my transaction. So I'll confirm this, and I'm going to confirm it again on my Ledger Nano S. Got to keep those coins secure. I'm going to share this stream real quick on Twitter. Let's see. There we go. Alright, I'm going to share that there real quick. And I'm going to share it also in, I'll share it in Telegram. Alright, let's see if we can get some people watching. Alright, so now this transaction here of removing the liquidity is complete. So now I have 337 Tezos and 61,000 Sebuh net tokens. So here we could also see on the block explorer that the liquidity has been divested. So now I'm going to go over to the Smartlink application. It's if you want to get there, it's just smartlink.so, and then you click products, and then staking. No, Vortex Dex. There we go. Yeah, you click products and then Vortex Dex, and then here we get to the dashboard and we click go to Vortex. And then right here we have to click this button to connect the wallet. I'm connecting my Temple wallet and the account I'm using for this. And here now we see my Tezos balance and my SMAC balance. So that's the default currency setup. So now I'm going to click this drop down button, and I'm going to click add a new token. and we're gonna click down here, add a new token, and it's asking for, is it a FA 1.2 or FA2? Well, Sebuh Net token is a FA2 token, and the address for the token it wants. So we're gonna go and grab that off of the block explorer here. So their block explorer has a Seb token here. It's KT1 1981, something like that. And copy this, and then I'm gonna paste that here. Token ID is 0 for this token, and the deposit amount. Let's see. We want the price to be equal with uh, Quipuswap right now, so that there's no arbitrage opportunities for people. So we're gonna put in 61,811 Sebuh Net tokens. So the deposit amount 61,811, and then XTZ is gonna be paired with it, and that amount was 337 Tezos. 337 Tezos here, so that's gonna give us a price of 1 XTZ equals 183.4 tokens. So we're going to click add new token, and here we have a message that says this token's not whitelisted. Okay, that's fine. We'll just click confirm, and here it's loading it up in the wallet. And as you can see here, there's a storage fee of 2.5 Tezos. So it costs about 2.5 Tezos to create a new liquidity pool on Smartlink, because I'm creating a new contract here on the exchange. It's going to create a new exchange contract for this liquidity pool, and I have to pay the fee for creating that on the network. And I'm clicking confirm, and then I'm going to confirm it on my Ledger Nano, and there it goes. It's going. So I could click and watch over here on the block explorer to make sure that everything worked out smoothly. I'll refresh it a couple times. Let's see what contract this is. This is the Vortex FA2 factory contract. So this contract is the one that creates new liquidity pools. So I'm gonna refresh this and see what's going on. It's only been 20 seconds, so we gotta wait like a minute probably. Alright, so it's going. So now the liquidity on Quipuswap has been reduced to 64,000 Seb token and a pooled Tezos amount of 350 Tezos. And okay, there, it looks like it worked. So if we go back to Smartlink, we could click this drop down here, and where is it? Let's refresh the page, see what happens. Okay, so it's Tezos, and I click the button. It's still loading, it looks like. So it's gonna take a minute for it to load up, I guess. Okay, I got the new token over here. Okay, search name. So select the token. It says search name or paste contract address. So I could try to do Seb, and it comes up here Seb. And let's see, if we scroll down, it doesn't come up because it's not a whitelisted token. So here we go, we're on Seb now. And if I want to trade 1 Tezos, I'll get 182 Seb token, and I click swap. It says it's not whitelisted, whatever. Click confirm, and confirm again, and confirm that again. And I'm also now confirming on my Ledger Nano, so we could get a trade in here. So we migrated about half of, a little more of the half of the liquidity, probably like maybe uh, like 3/5 of the liquidity has been moved from Quipuswap now, and the first trade is being confirmed right now. All right, so that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.